Did you know that the wrong engine oil can shorten your engine's life by more than 30%? Most drivers simply follow whatever oil the mechanic pours into their car, but very few people actually understand what those numbers on the bottle really mean. According to industry data, over 70% of drivers don't know the difference between 0W-20, 5W-30, and 5W-40, even though this small choice directly affects engine wear, fuel economy, and long-term reliability. Modern engines are incredibly precise machines, which means the oil viscosity must be perfectly matched to the engine's design. To find out which oil truly performs the best, we tested 3 of the most common motor oil viscosities used around the world: 0W-20, 5W-30, and 5W-40. During this test, we carefully measured cold start lubrication time, engine noise, oil pressure stability, fuel economy, and temperature control during both city driving and high-load highway conditions. One oil delivered incredible efficiency, another provided extreme protection, but only one offered the perfect balance for long-term engine health. And by the end of this test, there was one clear winner. So, let's get started. Test 1. Cold start performance. Cold starts are one of the most critical moments for an engine because studies from automotive tribology research show that around 75 to 80% of total engine wear occurs during the first minute after startup. When an engine sits overnight, most of the oil drains back into the oil pan, leaving metal components like camshafts, piston rings, and bearings briefly unprotected. During this moment, the oil must travel through extremely small oil passages to rebuild the protective lubrication layer as quickly as possible. In our cold start testing, 0W-20 oil typically measures around 8.5 centistokes at 100 degrees Celsius, making it significantly thinner than the other oils. Because of this low viscosity, 0W-20 flowed through the engine extremely quickly in our cold start test, reaching full lubrication pressure in about 1.7 seconds, which resulted in noticeably quieter engine startup. The 5W-30 oil, with an average viscosity of around 10.5 centistokes at 100 degrees Celsius, took slightly longer to circulate, and it took 2.8 seconds to reach full lubrication, which is still very safe for engine protection. The thickest oil, 5W-40, with an average viscosity of around 14 centistokes at 100 degrees Celsius, required closer to 4 seconds to fully circulate through the engine during cold startup. During this delay, the engine produced slightly louder mechanical noise, which indicates momentary metal-to-metal contact before lubrication fully stabilizes. This is exactly why many modern car manufacturers are switching to thinner oils for improved cold start protection. 0W-20 clearly delivered the fastest lubrication and the smoothest startup performance, making it the strongest performer in this specific category. Test 2. Engine wear under heavy load. Next, we pushed the engine under heavy driving conditions, including aggressive acceleration, high RPM highway driving, and extended load stress. Under these conditions, oil must maintain a strong protective film between moving components, such as pistons, crankshaft bearings, and cam lobes. Studies from automotive tribology labs show that when oil becomes too thin under stress, metal friction can increase dramatically and accelerate engine wear. When we performed high-temperature testing at around 110 degrees Celsius oil temperature, the 5W-40 oil maintained the highest oil pressure stability, averaging around 55 pounds per square inch under heavy load, which indicates a strong lubrication layer protecting engine components. On the other hand, the 5W-30 oil also delivered very stable performance as well, and it maintained around 50 pounds per square inch under similar conditions, which is more than sufficient for most engines. Oil analysis performed after extended testing showed slightly higher wear metals when using 0W-20 during aggressive driving, although still within safe limits. According to engine durability research, thicker oils like 5W-40 can reduce wear in high-load engines by up to 15% compared to very thin oils like 0W-20.
Test 3. Fuel economy performance.
Fuel efficiency was the next category we measured, and this is where viscosity differences became very noticeable. Modern automotive manufacturers design engines with extremely tight tolerances and recommend thinner oils because they reduce internal friction inside the engine. When oil is thinner, the engine components can rotate more freely, which requires less energy and improves fuel efficiency. During our test cycles, the engine running 0W-20 achieved the highest fuel economy, improving efficiency by approximately 2 to 3% compared to 5W-30 and nearly 4% compared to 5W-40. Over a distance of 100,000 miles, that difference alone could save drivers approximately 120 to 150 gallons of fuel. The 5W-30 oil delivered nearly identical performance, only about 1% lower in efficiency. However, the thicker 5W-40 oil showed roughly 3 to 4% lower fuel economy, which was expected due to the additional internal resistance caused by the thicker oil film. The engine had to work slightly harder to rotate internal components, which increases fuel consumption over time. Even though the difference might seem small during a single trip, but over a vehicle lifespan of 150,000 miles, this improvement can save hundreds of dollars in fuel costs. For drivers who prioritize maximum fuel savings and smoother engine operation, the 0W-20 oil clearly dominated this category. Test 4. Heat and temperature stability. The final test focused on engine temperature stability because motor oil plays a critical role in removing heat from internal components such as pistons, bearings, and camshafts. During high-speed driving, engine temperatures can exceed 93 degrees Celsius, and the oil must maintain its viscosity without breaking down. In this test, we ran the engine for extended highway driving sessions while carefully monitoring oil temperature and pressure stability. The 5W-40 oil delivered the most stable temperature control, maintaining extremely stable oil pressure and temperature even during long, high RPM runs. The 5W-30 oil also performed extremely well, maintaining consistent lubrication while still flowing easily through the engine. However, the 0W-20 oil showed slightly higher temperature fluctuations, especially during aggressive driving conditions. Oil temperature measurements showed about 3 to 5 degrees Celsius higher average oil temperatures compared to the thicker oils, which indicates that very thin oils may struggle slightly under prolonged high heat. According to engine durability testing, this is one reason why many high-performance engines recommend thicker oils like 5W-40. In this category, 5W-40 delivered the strongest performance for heat stability and high temperature protection. The final result, one clear winner. After completing all 4 major tests, the results painted a very clear picture. Each oil had a specific strength depending on how the vehicle is used and what the driver prioritizes. The 0W-20 oil was the clear champion for fuel efficiency and cold start lubrication, which explains why many modern manufacturers recommend it for newer engines designed with tighter internal tolerances. The 5W-40 oil provided exceptional durability and heat resistance, making it an excellent choice for performance engines, turbocharged vehicles, or drivers who frequently operate under heavy loads. One oil consistently delivered strong results without major weaknesses. The oil that provided excellent cold start flow, strong wear protection, stable temperatures, and impressive efficiency was 5W-30. It may not dominate every category individually, but it performed extremely well in all of them, making it the most balanced choice for long-term engine health. That's exactly why millions of engines around the world rely on 5W-30 as their recommended oil viscosity, and why it ultimately emerged as the clear all-around winner in our engine test.
That's all for this video. So the next time you are choosing engine oil, remember that viscosity is not just a number on a bottle. It directly affects engine wear, fuel consumption, and long-term reliability. If your priority is maximum fuel economy and smooth cold starts, then 0W-20 is an excellent choice for modern engines. If your car experiences heavy loads, aggressive driving, or high temperatures, 5W-40 offers outstanding durability and protection. But if you want the best balance between efficiency, protection, and everyday driving performance, the data clearly shows that 5W-30 delivers the most consistent results.
And subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks. See you in the next video.